It began as a faint whisper, buried deep in James Webb's raw data. Not a random glitch. Not noise from the instruments. But a signal, a rhythm too perfect to be natural. Astronomers stared at the readout, unsure. It wasn't dust. It wasn't a star. It wasn't a comet. It was something else, deliberate, structured, impossible to ignore. The anomaly had a name, 3I Atlas. An interstellar traveler already known for breaking every rule. But the Webb telescope revealed something stranger still. At first, scientists thought it was just another comet. Like Oumuamua. Like Borisov. But this one disobeyed. No coma. No glowing tail. No water. Only carbon dioxide, thin, cold, unexplainable. Spherex confirmed it. No water molecules. No carbon monoxide. Nothing but carbon dioxide drifting into space. A chemical profile that doesn't exist in nature. Questions grew louder. Public fascination swelled. But NASA stayed quiet. No press releases. No updates. Only silence. Behind closed doors, Webb turned its eye toward Atlas on August 6, 2025. The results never reached the public. But a leak changed everything. The image showed an object wrapped in a perfect halo of carbon dioxide. Not ragged. Not random. Perfect symmetry. Worse, the light didn't come from the sun. It came from within. Atlas was glowing on its own. The signal wasn't static. It pulsed. Prime numbers. Repetition. Like code, a cosmic Morse message. And the size, 46 kilometers across. Far larger than any visitor from beyond the stars. Too big to appear here by chance. Even its path betrayed intent. It didn't tumble in like a stray rock. It aligned with the plane of the planets. It passed by worlds as though following a plan. Almost as if it wanted to be noticed. Its trail traced back toward Sagittarius. The same region of space where the famous, wow, signal was first heard in 1977. Coincidence? Or connection? A radical theory emerged. Maybe Atlas wasn't natural at all. Maybe it was engineered. A hollow asteroid. A ship disguised as stone. Its carbon dioxide exhaust a mask for what lay inside. Then came the pulses again. This time stronger. Mathematical. Deliberate. Not random emissions but communication. A universal language of numbers. And then, silence. A pause. As though it were waiting for us to answer. NASA classified the data at once. Military agencies stepped in. NORAD. The U.S. Space Force. Satellites were redirected without explanation. And the secretive X-37B spaceplane launched into orbit. Its mission, unknown. Its destination, suspiciously close to Atlas's path. Behind the curtain, some scientists whispered a darker idea. Atlas wasn't a probe. It wasn't a ship. It was alive. A biomechanical hybrid. Part stone. Part machine. Part organism. Built to survive across eons, traveling star to star. And then it moved. Not drifting. Not nudged by gravity. But turning, sharply, precisely. As if under control. On July 4, its path aligned with a distant red dwarf star. One thought to harbor habitable worlds. Not an accident. A deliberate maneuver. Then came the most chilling discovery. A countdown. Decoded from its pulses. 283 Earth days remaining. A message not from NASA, not from Earth, but from Atlas itself. Some believed it carried a map. Not of our solar system, but of the Triangulum galaxy. The pulses traced its stars. A path leading out, and looping back. Straight to Earth. Officially, the message never existed. The object is still called, just a comet, but behind the scenes, scientists are afraid. Because Atlas may not be passing through. It may not be a visitor at all. It may be a mind. A thinking presence. Encoded in light. Encoded in motion. Watching us. Waiting. And according to the countdown, it's not here to leave. It's here to arrive. It's coming home.